Hi everyone, welcome to this another video in Market Tech YouTube channel. So today I'm planning to tell about the financial astrology course which I'm going to start live class from 19th July. So anybody who's interested to learn financial astrology, the rules and prediction applying for Nifty, Bank Nifty predictions, you can learn this course. So we'll see what you'll be learning in this course and what you'll be getting and what is the fees and what is the offers they're going to give also, we're going to see. So the course is going to start on 19th July and it is going to be held on 3 days in a week, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, 1.5 hours every day. Roughly 12 webinars will be conducted. So this is the contents of means the timing of the course and starting time. It can run for almost minimum it will be 4 weeks actually. Okay, maybe sometimes it can get extended also, and the timings these are 1.5 hours depends on the subjects what we are going to learn. It can be increasing also sometimes. So 1.5 hours per day will be the duration of the webinar. So first of all, there is no need for any basic knowledge of astrology for learning this course. You can learn from scratch and anybody can learn this, and definitely it's not a big deal, but you have to spend a lot of time to absorb these contents because the combinations are very huge, and then more the practice you make, the more the knowledge you'll get. So you'll be learning how to read the Kundali. Kundali means horoscope. You'll be able to know horoscope reading and what are the planets and what are the houses, what are the rules, which house and which planet, what will be happening, whether it's good or bad. Those things you're going to learn in this. And then nakshatra, tithi, yoga, each and everything, what is the impact and what is the impact on the markets, how much impact in the markets, because that is very important, because it is not that only nakshatra based. If you do trading, it is having only 40% success ratio. So if you combine, unless you combine everything, you'll not be getting the major benefit. So you have to combine everything what is possible, not everything, but definitely important things you have to combine. So the predictions based on 12 planets will be given. Now Navagraha, everybody know 9 planets, plus in addition to that, the slow planets like Pluto, Uranus and Neptune. These 3 planets also will be considered for our analysis, predictions. And then which planets are impacting which sectors, what is the methodology, we're going to learn that. And what are the aspects, different aspect planets when seeing other planet, aspecting other planet, what is the impact. Now currently the Saturn is seeing the Rahu, which is the reason for the big fall in the cryptocurrencies, mainly cryptocurrencies actually. So this is going to be there till the Saturn is moving out of the Aquarius and move back to Capricorn. And it's going to temporarily come after some time, by January it's going to come permanently come to Aquarius. That time the cryptocurrency will see a big problem. So let us see what will happen. Then Badra Dosh, what is the impact on markets? It's a very important thing happens. And free software, what is the free software available, how to get the data, and what software is all about. We're going to explain that also. And Sarvata Bada Chakra, this is a very important concept, advanced little. So it is a little detailed one as compared to the normal astrology horoscope what you see, because it is going to be bifurcating the complete horoscope into a threadbare basis. Sarvata Bada Chakra itself, no, it will charge hefty amount for the fees actually. So you're going to learn that also. And then Sankranti based trading. So when sun moon combinations are there, what will be the probability of the market giving positive or negative closing? Those we are going to see. And then the entire thing will be focused on Nifty and Bank Nifty prediction actually. So we're not going to see the stocks in detail, but we'll be given the broader view of the individual stocks. What is the impact? Will be methodology will be mentioned. And however, the focus will be on the Nifty Bank Nifty predictions. And then there are almost 100 plus rules for these predictions. So everything will be given to you. So you may think there's so much of rules how I can apply and how I can get the data prediction. Normally, if you learn from anybody, financial astrology, you have to apply the rules and make the prediction. That's the objective. So what happens that you pay say 50,000, 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees and then get the rules. But the thing is that applying the rules and doing the calculation, it becomes like difficult most of the times. Or you will be given some sheet or something like that, monthly basis on them. Now here you not depend on anybody. Everything is going to be self-dependent. Once you buy this, you learn this course and then buy this dashboard. I'll mention about that. So you're going to be self-dependent and not depend on me for anything, and everything will be taken care automatically. So we'll see about this how the prediction we can do on this. Those things also we'll see. And anybody who's interested can Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, or WhatsApp to me for any doubts to this number 86101 43936. So this is a broader view. Now we will see about the Excel dashboard which I developed actually for this purpose. So this Excel dashboard which I had developed actually based on the rules, whatever is there, all the rules are mentioned here. Entire complete rules base, everything is mentioned here. This is a complete rule structure, everything mentioned here. And then you can see here everything is rules are given here. These rules manually applying and predicting is very, very difficult, tough actually, humanly impossible. So you may be learning something and from financial astrology, but practically you may not be able to do it because it's so many rules are there. You cannot put in mind. So here Excel, everything is storing here, and you can use this Excel dashboard for prediction. It just takes only, now if you do manually, it can take roughly maybe 2 hours to 3 hours for any person. That's humanly impossible. You can do for 2 days, 3 days maximum, not for more than even 1 week you can do it. So to make the life easy, I will download this dashboard, and the data is there till 2023. I have already plugged in the data till 2023 actually end. So everything is available for your benefit. You can quick start immediately. So just type a date here. Okay, let me just put here 3rd March 22. Okay, so any date you type here, you will get the data here. So I just kept another file open, so it's calculating. Otherwise, it will be coming from automatically. So it was a fail date. Okay, it is positive and it is negative. Next day, just click next day. You'll be able to see the next day what is the result. So the view was negative. We are aligned in the negative. 537 points downward was. So this way you'll be able to see the structure for the view for the market for every day. So if you see yesterday, the yesterday view was there here. 8th July. So we expected a positive view, though the market was giving a high equal to open equal to high for both Nifty, Bank Nifty. We closed in positive only. So definitely it is not a good sign for the bulls actually. We have to see whether the high will be taken out or not on coming days. And if you see previous day, the previous day view was everything, all the rules, whatever is given is applicable for entire day. Any day, whatever it is, the positions of planets and aspects, everything taken into consideration. The aspects are there, each and every planet who is aspecting whom and what is the impact, everything is automatically pops up. So this is not possible manually, definitely it is not possible. So you can do for 1 or 2 days, 1 or 2 rules you can do it, but not all the rules combined together. Every rule has some weightage. So some weightage is there for different combinations. So all the weightage comes to the total, and then we get some calculation here, positive or negative, and then we see whether it is calculating because every day there will be positive or negative. Sometimes very rarely heavy positive will be there, sometimes very negative will be there, too much of negative will be there. So that is different thing, but most of the times which is more high, positive or negative, that's what it shows. So overall it is a positive, high positive day more than the negative. So that is the reason we saw some 596 points rise in the Bank Nifty and Nifty. So I have done the back testing of all those because whatever we are seeing here, it is not working for 1 or 2 days. So I have done the back testing here starting from 1st Jan 2020 actually, and then that 1st Jan 2020 till date almost it is like 629 trading days. 628 trading days is the total. So as per there are 4 types of outcome of this prediction. 64% of the days we get the view as per the closing. This is on closing basis we do the prediction, because the opening, if there is any view, whatever is there, that is of no use because it's very volatile and we can't capture that. So closing basis definitely you can capture that because you have enough time. Now intraday success, this is tells you like for example the market is having a view was open positive but opens negative, gap down. Then 24% of time it closes as per the view. So totally if you see as per the view, we see intraday times the closing may not happen as per the closing basis, but intraday definitely will happen. So this way we can see total 87% of the time we get success ratio for Bank Nifty, and in case of Nifty is almost 80% success rate we get. Out of total 628 trading days, only you can see here 52 trading days were giving a major fail, means the view is positive and market closed a big negative. So 8% was a negative here and it is a big fail, and then 12% was a big fail for the Nifty. So otherwise if you see 80%, 85% minor fail means small, we tell positive, but negative of 15 points, or like in case of Nifty it is 70 points minus, opposite view it closes. So here 150 points minus against the view. So that way it is a minor fail. And even if you see here, I done the backtesting only year 2022. Here it is coming, it is better actually. It is still better here. It is almost like 87% success ratio is there here in case of Bank Nifty, and Nifty is improved actually. 83% success ratio is there. So I'll be keep improving as in the logics and the weightage and all, and try to improvise. But maximum what you can get is 90% is what you can get here. Here you got actually 91.7%. And then I just do the back testing, change the rule, whatever, so that we get the best results. So whatever you do, 92% is what maximum accuracy you can get here, which is a summation of all these three. So if you can get this, more than sufficient. So definitely, you know, in advance, like what is the date, you put some date here, say 1st October, let us see, any date you put the date for the past and in the future will come to Saturday. So previous day you want to see, you can see for this 30 September, what is the day, positive. And if you see for continuously for previous, if you just keep on seeing for Friday, for Thursday it's a positive, and then it is, if you see Wednesday positive, and then Tuesday positive, and Monday positive. So this way, if you see here, the more positive is there for entire week actually, so negative. So you can look for buying call options, or you can look for selling the put options in the money or at the money also. So this way you can take advantage in advance and take some swing trading positions also based on these predictions actually. So we'll come back to the another thing also, like there is something called Kundalini chart. Okay, this is the chart I've done here. Almost 7 years of data is there in this Excel file. Any particular day, you can know what is the combinations, planetary combinations are there for a ready reference. It is as of 3:30 p.m. What is the planetary combination? This is what we can see here. You can see automatically the previous day. If you just click the previous day, it'll go to the previous day, and then here 8 July is mentioned here. 8 July, the data should come here. This is the data. Okay, that I have to update the data here. Previous day, it will come automatically normally. So you can see here data, because the data is not available possibly. So you'll get the bank to change here. What is the date? What is the combinations are available? You can do the analysis. Also the SBC chart also available here. You can see the combinations, what is happening on that day. You can just what you can do is equal to, and then we'll put the change here, this date. So this way you can know the particular day, what is the combination, which planetary positions are there in which SBC. This is the Kundalini chart which I am telling, which also will be part of the package I will giving you. So we'll see what and all you will be getting here, and then what is the, you want to do any back testing, you can see back testing. You want to do like particular 2 planets, you want to back testing, you can do also. Planet 1, Venus and Moon, when and all conjunction happened, I want to get list of dates I can get for all the 7 years of data. So almost 7 years of data is there, full data. If you see here, let me just see here, full data. You can see starting from 2017 January, starting from that until 2023 data is there. 33 rows of data is there, which is a very, very valuable data. We don't get anywhere in the internet this data available, readily available. You have to pay for that. That will cost you not less than 10,000 rupees. And also you may not get this information particularly. It's very, very costly data. You are going to get this data in the Kundalini chart. So let us see here what and all you're going to get the offerings now. The fees is 4,000 rupees for this course only. Now day wise, the 19 July is the course date. So day wise, the more you delay, then the course contents will be the costly. But any day you join here, the course fee is going to be only 4,000. But you want this Excel dashboard where the prediction will get positive or negative. That Excel dashboard will cost you, if you're joining today, 4,000 rupees, and if you're joining tomorrow, 4,250, and it will be keep on increasing. And by 19 July, the cost can be increasing almost double. And then Kundalini dashboard which I showed you, which is containing 7 years of data, it will cost you 1,000 to 1,500 depending on your joining. And if you're buying all the 3, then you'll get a better price here as a offer, combo offer you'll get, which will be costing you 12,000 on the last day of the course, and then today it will be 8,000 only. From tomorrow it will be 8,250, and day after tomorrow 9,000, and the price is going to be increasing day by day. So any day if you just join early, today it's a very good price you're getting for 8,000 only, and this way you can grab the opportunity and get some offers. So I'm just telling again, keep in WhatsApp in this number, and then you'll be able to keep in touch with me. You can just pay Google Pay and phone. If you're not interested in getting information, just you want to pay and just join the course, you can pay and send me a snapshot. You'll be sent a Telegram channel link where you'll be joining the course, and then the webinar link will be given to you one day before the course of starting. So any doubts, you can keep in touch with the WhatsApp number and send me your queries. Don't call me, just WhatsApp me so that I'll be able to attend, because sometimes I may not be able to reply. Will give late sometimes because some work will be there. So try to send me WhatsApp. I'll try to reply within 1 or 2 hours. Okay, so hope you like this video, and then give me your likes here, so that it will go to a lot of community people who are interested in learning this course. And I want many people to join this course and get advantage of this course. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.